Imagine waking up at 18 years old with $100 in your bank account and going to bed a millionaire. Sounds impossible? Well, this is exactly what happened to Alex, a teen who turned his small savings into a fortune in just 3 years. Hi, I'm Capital Mike, and today we're diving into the incredible journey of Alex, how a teenager learned the secrets of investing, avoided mistakes, and built wealth that most adults dream of. Let's get started. Alex wasn't born into money. He had a part-time job, saved every penny, and spent hours reading about stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency. But what set him apart wasn't just knowledge, it was mindset. Most teens spend their money on games or gadgets. Alex, he invested his $100 in a small ETF that tracked the US stock market. It was risky, but calculated risk is the first step to wealth. Within a year, his initial $100 grew to $1,200. That's when Alex realized the magic of compounding. Instead of spending, he reinvested everything, learning to balance risk and patience. He wasn't lucky, he was disciplined. And discipline is what separates millionaires from the rest. Of course, the road wasn't smooth. Alex faced market crashes, failed trades, and moments of doubt. Most people would have quit. But he studied every mistake, adjusted his strategy, and stayed focused on the long-term goal. By the age of 21, Alex had turned his $100 into $1 million. Yes, $1 million. And it wasn't just luck. It was knowledge, patience, and the courage to act when others hesitated. So, what can we learn from Alex's story? Start early. Even small investments matter. Compounding is your best friend. Don't fear mistakes. Learn from them. Discipline beats luck. Focus on the long term, not instant gains. Alex's journey proves that wealth isn't about age or background. It's about mindset, strategy, and consistency. Start today, take small steps, and maybe one day, your story will be the next inspiration for millions.